PNP Chief Roland De La Rosa expects more results from the ongoing intensified campaign against illegal drugs. To date, illegal drug-related deaths have been placed at a little over 700, with over 500,000 others either arrested or voluntarily surrendered. Aya Macalma reports.
It has been exactly 1 month since the National Police started the anti-illegal drugs campaign, while the number of drug suspects killed nationwide continued to rise under the Upland Double Barrel program. The latest figures of the PNP have it that 395 drug suspects were killed nationwide from July 1 to August 1, while 5,251 were arrested and 545,589 users and pushers voluntarily surrendered. More than 200,000 homes were checked by authorities. According to PNP Chief Police Director General Ronald De La Rosa, the numbers will definitely go up with a continuing campaign against illegal drugs. The official has this to say for their critics on their target to eliminate illegal drugs and crime in the country.
Wala talagang kung inosente yan, masakit rin sa amin kung may madisgrasya na inosente, di ba? Pareho tayong taong we value lives, we want to preserve lives. Kaya ayaw talaga natin na mamatay. Kaya kung yung sinasabi na merong inosente, they should prove it. I-prove nila.
The Chief of Police also assured that the law enforcers are doing their job and in the line of duty. Their lives are at stake with every operation they conduct.
Masakit naman sa pulis na palagi lang in-accuse na gano'n. Nagtatrabaho na yung pulis, in-accuse pa na gano'n. Yung pulis na yan, may mga anak rin yan eh. May pamilya rin yan. What if yung anak nila ang madisgrasya na innocent life ng kanilang anak na disgrasya dahil sa reckless operations? Hindi naman siguro, tao rin kami. Kung kayo'y tao'y nasasaktan, yung pulis po ninyo ay tao rin nasasaktan din. At kami po'y nagmamahal sa aming kapwa. Ayaw talaga namin may masaktan, unnecessarily.
For PTV News, this is Waywaya Macal.
Ako po si Cathy San Gabriel. Subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang po ang subscribe button.